Welcome to Genki 2, Lesson 15, Grammar Point 3, where we use the te form with the helping verb oku. Okay, this is going to be a really short grammar point. It's only this one slide. So when you perform an action to prepare for something else, you express that by using the te form of the active verb and the helping verb oku. So for example, 明日パーティーをするから今晩料理しておきます。We're going to have a party tomorrow, so tonight I'm going to cook in advance or in preparation for the party. Remember, this can also fold in with other expressions that you already know. For example, 掃除もしておかなきゃいけません. And I have to clean as well. So you have the te form, the oku in the form of okanakia ikemasen, which means I must. Soji mo shite okanakia ikemasen. I have to do cleaning as well. When you are speaking casual Japanese, this form often gets shortened to toku rather than teoku. So example here, kaimono shitoku yo. I'll go shopping. Okay, so often we don't express this in preparation concept verbally in English because we use the future tense, I think, instead. But in Japanese, this is a really high frequency thing. You may have run across it already and wondered exactly what it was. This is what it is. It's about doing something in preparation for a later time. So that's it. See you next time.